If you've ever wished you could turn handwritten notes into clean, editable text inside OneNote, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert handwriting to text in OneNote step by step, so you can save time, stay organized, and make your notes much easier to search and reuse. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote and go to the page that contains your handwritten notes. This part matters because the conversion tool only works on the handwriting that's already on the page, so make sure the notes you want are visible before you start. Once you're on the right page, look at the top menu bar and click the Draw tab. The Draw tab is where OneNote keeps all of its ink and pen tools, and it's also where the conversion option is located. After that, find the Lasso Select tool. This is usually shown as a dashed circle icon near the drawing pens. The Lasso tool is what lets you isolate the handwriting you want to convert without affecting the rest of the page. Now click and drag your mouse or use your stylus to draw a complete circle around the block of handwriting you want to turn into text. Make sure you fully enclose the words you want to convert. When you do it correctly, OneNote will highlight the selected handwriting with a grey boundary box, letting you know it's ready. If the selection doesn't look right, just try again and include all of the words you want in one selection. Once your handwriting is selected, look to the right side of the Draw tab ribbon. There you should see the Ink to Text button. Depending on your version of OneNote, it may be listed directly as Ink to Text, or it may appear inside a convert group. Either way, this is the feature you need. Click Ink to Text, and OneNote will instantly convert your handwriting into standard type text. It's a fast and easy way to clean up handwritten notes, especially if you want to copy, paste, search, or share them later. If you have multiple sections of handwriting, you can repeat the same process for each block. Just lasso the text, click Ink to Text, and OneNote will do the rest. Keep in mind that the cleaner your handwriting is, the more accurate the conversion usually is. So if some words don't convert perfectly, that's normal, and you can always make a few quick edits afterward. This feature is great for students, professionals, and anyone who takes notes by hand, but wants the convenience of typed text, it can help you digitize meeting notes, class notes, brainstorms, and quick ideas in just a few clicks. And once your notes are converted, you can continue editing them like regular text right inside OneNote. So that's how to convert handwriting to text in OneNote. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.